Okay, so it is time to pick a winner for giveaway for this Mucar 892 Bluetooth. So I will do it on video. Let me copy this link. And this is YouTube random comment picker. I don't want to include replies and we don't allow duplicates. Okay, continue. I am waiting for about 30 seconds, but it is not picking comments. Let's try refresh page. One more time. Fetch. Okay, now it is loading comments. Okay, so we have over 200 comments, so let's pick a winner. And this is our winner, Bilal Ahmad. Please email me at this address yuri@iamcarhacker.com and you can send me your shipping details. And congratulations, of course.